this is GaniLakshmi and I'm currently pursuing BTech in EC at Aditya University. I'm very happy to share that I have been selected for Walmart internship with the stipend of 1 lakh per month. Aditya provides great infrastructure and quality of education to the students, and it provides best laboratories and also libraries to the enhance student skills. And Aditya provides special training placements like technical hub. It gives training to the students with the soft skills, technical skills and also communication skills. Aditya plays best role to student placement skills and technical skills. Beyond the academics, it provides good CRT classes like aptitude, reasoning and soft skills. I am very happy to crack this internship with the help of Aditya. Thank you.